With so many insulation products available on the market, which one is best for your home? We're here to help you make the right decision. This display mimics the heat source that's installed in your home. It pushes warm air into these 3 different insulated homes to show you how much air can flow through them. The traditional materials have an insulating R value of 30, and as you can see, the heat and air flowing through them varies greatly. Take a look at the floating ping pong balls. The houses insulated with traditional materials are not as efficient at keeping the warm air in. But the house with Icynene spray foam insulation is well sealed with no air escaping from the space. Picture your house. There are many places where air can escape, but by using a superior insulation material like Icynene spray foam, you can insulate and air seal in one step to keep your home comfortable while limiting air leakage from your home. It expands up to 100 times its size to fill every crack and gap, keeping your home at the optimal temperature all year round. Just look at the temperature difference between all 3 types of insulation. You can clearly see that Icynene is far superior to the traditional options. Icynene's air sealing properties help reduce your monthly heating or cooling bills and keep your home comfortable regardless of season. By using Icynene, you can improve the energy efficiency and comfort of your home while allowing you to save on your heating and cooling bills. Plus, thanks to its air seal, Icynene spray foam can also help minimize allergens and pollutants that enter your home. For more information or to find a licensed Icynene contractor, visit icynene.com.